How do I handle a rainy day at Epcot? Well, I take a break out in my car.
Oh, it started pouring rain while I was still in Epcot.
Yes, I know.
Just a little tipsy dust.
Oh my goodness.
It was wet.
Wet. But I enjoyed the little bit of food and wine. But I got to be honest, I had done you a mobile order earlier in the day. And so I didn't order anything because I thought, oh, I'll just eat festival food. And then I got over to the festival and it was like, well, hell, I'm just going to go to Connections and eat the Korean barbecue sandwich. And here we are in the car getting away from the rain.
Yep.
Waiting on the fireworks, maybe.
Maybe.
If the rain goes away. Who knows? It is hurricane season. I'm about to dig into this sandwich. I'm sorry, but the Liege waffle left over in a takeout box in the car is still amazing. Amazing.
I thought it was too spicy.
Mm-hmm. This is the dessert, Mama. The strawberries and waffle.
Hey, come back, wherever you are.